हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम पढ़ेंगे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चैप्टर ऑफ क्लास 10th। फॉर स्टार्टिंग दिस चैप्टर, हाउ कैन वी डिफाइन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, द ब्रांच ऑफ फिजिक्स in which we study about charges in motion, जिसमें चार्जेस चल रहे होते हैं। जब हम मोशन वाले चार्जेस के बारे में स्टडी करते हैं तो फिज़िक्स की उस ब्रांच को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी या करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोला जाता है। बट अ क्वेश्चन अराइजेज, व्हाट डज इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज means? How can you define electric charge? We can only feel electric charge, but can we define it? So it is the property of matter due to which any object or matter, I can say, can feel or respond to electric effects, जिसकी वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक अफेक्ट्स को आप बिजली के झटके भी समझ सकते हो या बिजली से, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से मिलने वाला किसी भी तरीके का अफेक्ट, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट या कोई भी मैटर, उसके अंदर कंटेंड एक ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी जिसकी वजह से वो मैटर या वो ऑब्जेक्ट या हम खुद इलेक्ट्रिक अफेक्ट्स को फील भी कर सकते हैं और उन्हें रिस्पॉन्ड भी कर सकते हैं। That is called electric charge, which can be termed as Q. The symbol of electric charge is Q, and the formula is Q is equal to NE. Basically, this will be termed as defined as quantization of charge. What does it mean? It means charge can be transferred from one body to another in integral numbers. Integral number means in form of integers. Integers means charge cannot be transferred in fractional form, cannot be transferred in decimal form. It can be transferred in integer number of multiple of electrons. That means from one body to another, one electron can be transferred, two electron can be transferred, but half electron cannot be transferred, 3/4 electrons cannot be transferred. Fractional electron transfer is not allowed, which is called quantization of charge. Because of this, Q can be written as Ne, where N is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc., etc., means form of integers. Then what is the SI unit of charge? SI unit of charge is coulomb, which can be expressed as C. Then a question comes, how many electrons constitute 1 coulomb charge? So the solution is, here Q is given as 1 coulomb. Number of electrons will be asked in the question, and E is by default, you have to learn 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb or minus 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. You can ignore the sign of minus in case of calculations. Now you are having formula Q is equal to Ne, then 1 is equal to N multiply 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. N is equal to 1 by 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19, which after solution you will get 6.25 into 10 raised to power 18 electrons. This is the question numerical form of this topic. Then electric current. This is the first topic of this chapter, I. It will be denoted as I, and this is rate of flow of electric charge or positive charge in a definite direction. Then it can be expressed mathematically as rate. Rate means divided by time of rate of flow of positive charge or charge. Charge can be denoted as Q. So I can be written as Q by T or NE by T. This is the mathematical formulation of I. And what is SI unit of I? SI unit is ampere, which is denoted as A. How can you define 1 ampere? 1 coulomb by 1 second. Current is said to be 1 ampere if 1 coulomb charge passed through conductor in 1 second in a definite direction. That's all for today.